In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to make money on YouTube in 2021 and also my secrets on how to grow and explode on YouTube in 2021. Because I have this, sales score so high, I'm ranking #1 for all of these keywords on YouTube. So YouTube, as you guys might already know, YouTube is incredible powerful to make money online. Now let me share with you this first. Once you have a following on YouTube, once you get, you're growing on YouTube and you have subscribers, you have people on your YouTube channel, it's growing, it's gonna be very easy for you to make money because YouTube itself, it's a great way to do it because you're building trust with people while doing the videos. And so people are way more likely to buy from you because they're already watching your video. Before I even go deep into my secrets on how to grow on YouTube, let me first share with you how you would make money with it. So the way you would do it, and the way that I recommend you do, is you're gonna learn some skill or through a YouTube video or whatever online. You're gonna do it, and then you're gonna teach it on the video on YouTube, right? And it's all about providing value to the marketplace, to your audience, and just giving them pure value. And do the best as you can in terms of content, high quality, best quality. And then you wanna have on your videos, as you do your videos, you wanna have a call to action for them, for example, to see your #1 way to make money online or whatever niche you are in. You wanna have a call to action and send them to that link where they're gonna go through that link. You're gonna capture their email, which is very important that you get their email. So you start building a business, an email list, and then you send them to the offer and you have a follow-up and everything. Now, if you wanna learn how to do this, I have a link below. If you wanna start your dream business today, I have a link below that will get you set up and ready to rock and roll. And even if you're not willing to do YouTube, if you're willing to do paid ads, it is the way to go. And also you can do free traffic methods that are there. If you want to start your dream business, go to that link below. Now with YouTube, I'm going to share with you right now the formula which has enabled me to recently make videos that are literally exploding. They're getting so much traffic, and that traffic is coming from the search engine of YouTube. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. There's loads of people searching for things on YouTube. And the way to grow on YouTube in 2021, it's actually doing videos that people want to watch. But not just think about the videos, an idea and just go and do it. No, you actually have to do first your keyword research, and you have to do it right. Because if you do it wrong, then what's gonna happen is you're gonna be doing videos, you're gonna put so much effort on YouTube, and you're not gonna grow. You're gonna struggle for so long, and you might give up. As in, if you do what I'm gonna share with you in this video, you're gonna do it right from start, and then you have way big chances of winning because you're doing it right. And one of your videos will pick up and you will get loads of subscribers. You will grow fast if you keep doing it. Now keep in mind, if you want to do YouTube, you need consistency. You need to be putting at least one video per week or more. With that said, let me dive here into my computer and show you. So just to give this last video that I did on YouTube, I want to show you something which I launched before yesterday. Take a look over here on the right. You say YouTube search. The traffic, most of the traffic is coming right here from YouTube search. That is because I'm doing the SEO correctly, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video today. So let me show you another video. So here's another video, and as you can see here, YouTube search, the traffic is coming from YouTube search. That is the formula for you to grow big. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. Now another thing I want to point out before I reveal to you the secret of growing on YouTube, here on the statistics of the video, I can come here to reach and take a look at this. Also very important, the impression click-through rate of this video is 17%, which is very high. Now keep in mind that when you're doing YouTube videos, the thumbnail is so freaking important. It's more important than the video itself. Because if you don't have a good thumbnail, then you won't get clicks. Nobody's going to see your video. It's going to be buried down, and it's just a waste of your time. So take a look at this thumbnail right here. The formula to making good thumbnails and for them to get this kind of click-through rate, which is insanely high, is for you to do a thumbnail that is very simple. The more simple, the better. And as you can see, this thumbnail right here, it's simple, but I mean even simpler than that. Because back in the day, I used to do thumbnails with loads of text and things like that, and it does not work. So the simpler you make, the better. One simple image, one simple word, one simple phrase, that's it. And that's how you get high click-through rate. Because with the thumbnail, your goal is to get people to look at the thumbnail and then right away after that, look at the title. And then you grab their attention with the title and boom, they stay watching the video. As you can see right here on this statistics, this is like the growth of the video. It's steady growth. And all of the traffic here, as you can see down here, it's coming from, YouTube search. 81% of the traffic is from YouTube search. The reason I've been able to do this is because I've optimized the sale of the video really well. And the way I did this is by using a software called TubeBuddy. If you want to get started with TubeBuddy, I will leave a link below. If you are under 1,000 subscribers, I think it's $5 per month. And once you install TubeBuddy, you will have access to this thing right here, this button right here, which whenever you want to make a video, which here's the process of doing correct SEO, so you get a lot of traffic into your videos through SEO. So you come here to this icon right here, and then you come here to this right here, which is this one right here, Keyword Explorer. So let's go into it. Okay, on this Keyword Explorer tool, what you want to be doing is searching for keywords for you to go after. Let me give you an example right here. For example, make money online. Make money online. Let's search for this keyword right here. So if I search for this keyword, what's going to happen right here is, as you can see over here, it has a lot of traffic, meaning a lot of people are searching for this keyword. But down here, which is the competition, it's poor. Because what means there's loads of people going for this keyword, a lot of competition going on. That's why the overall score right here, it's poor. So you don't want to go for keywords that are it's poor, because you're gonna do the video. There's just so much competition. Your video is not gonna even show on the ranking. So it's useless by you just creating videos without doing this. So let's now put more long tail keywords and search for another one. So make money online in 2021. So now this is more of a long-term keyword. So there should be less traffic. As you can see right here, the overall score, it's 100%. It is amazing because there is low competition for this keyword right here. And at the same time, the search volume is very high. So this is a gold mine. And when you go and you do a video for this specific keyword right here, you are tapping into a lot of traffic to come to your video. Now once you choose the keyword, so now this is a great keyword to go for it because the score is excellent, 100% out of 100, and you're ready to go. So you've picked the keyword, you're ready to go. Now, you need to be, when you pick the keyword, you need to be testing different keywords until you find one that says excellent. And then you go for that one, right? Because first of all, what we did here is like people are searching for this keyword. People want to see this. There's low competition, so we're gonna go for it. And as you can see right here, it tells you right here, which is the optimization strength. It's at green. This is really important right here. So once this is at green, you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, once you do this, what do you want to do next? And this is very important, is you come here to the action on the bottom and you go over and you select right here, which is optimize in SEO Studio. Okay? So what this will bring you is the Sales Studio tool of TubeBuddy, which is freaking insanely powerful. It's the secret sauce for you to explode on YouTube, hands down. Here's the thing, right here on the right, you have this thing right here, which is literally tells you what you need to do to improve the sale. And what you need to do is follow exactly what it says over here. So for instance, it says right here, include the target keyword naturally in the title. It's missing. Okay, so in this case, make money online in 2001, I'm gonna say how to make money online in 2001, and then I'm gonna go for beginners, right? Okay, and then we gotta wait a little bit because this score right here, the sales score, is gonna change. So we got that on, and then right here it says include partial matches of your tag in the description. So to include the tag, which is this one, in the description. So I'm gonna go ahead in this video. I will show you how to make money online in 2001 for beginners. And as you can see over here on top, the score is already going up. So I've already added the description. This takes a while to show, but this is gonna go green as well. This right here, right? So this is gonna go green soon because I already did the change over here, right? So all of the rest of all of the ones here are green. You want this to be all green. So this is still showing in red, but it's supposed to go green in a few moments. But I'm gonna go, then once you have this, which is you have the keyword, you follow the steps over here, then see, now it changed right here. Let's see, we gotta wait a little bit. Now it's the score is at 95. Only these two changes that I did right here are so freaking powerful and important that you do these. If you don't do these, my friend, you're missing out. You have to do this way. Okay, so once you do this, what you're gonna do is click next. And then it's gonna bring you to this part, which is for you to, put in the tags. Now, the tags that will show right here are a gold mine. These tags right here are the tags that will make sure that your video will rank. Because these tags are like, I don't know, TubeBuddy does something here with these tags that is really powerful. Every time you use the tags that show over here, that's all you have to do. Now you could add more tags on Make Money Online and tags related to your videos here, that's fine. But the only thing you have to do is literally focus on the tags that are here and then add them, right? So it says here, include more relevant tags. So you wanna go ahead and put more like how to make money online, right? And just add a few more, and then you go about it this way. Once you do this, you then go to next, right? And then right here, this is very important because what this does is right here is going to show you the thumbnails that you're going after, your competition. So what you want to do is now that you are here, you want to create a thumbnail that stands out from these thumbnails that are here. It has to stand out, and make it simple, guys. That's the trick. That's the formula. Make it simple. Once you create the thumbnail, you're going to go ahead and you're going to upload the thumbnail over here. You're gonna do that. Once you do that, as you can see, the score of this video, because I did all of the sale, right here, what it tells me to do, the score is at 99. Once you add the image, it's gonna be at 100. And what this means is you have optimized for sale your video. And now, then you go next, and then you press save, right? So now when you upload a video, when you come here to create video, let me give you an example. So you click right here, create video and upload video. I'm just gonna select here one for example. So once you have TubeBuddy installed, you're gonna have this one button right here. And what this button does, when you click on it, you come right here to, it says Sales Studio, and then you're gonna select the keyword that you've just did. Once you select, you click apply. What this will do is it will put the title that you've choose, it will put the description, it will put everything, the tags, even the thumbnail, everything. And the only thing you have to do is then choose here at least 2 playlists. Always go for at least 2 playlists. Once that is done, you can then go ahead and publish the video. Okay, so this is one of the videos that I was showing to you. I want you to notice that once you have to buddy, you will see this. Right here on the right, as you can see, the sales score for this video is 100. So the process that I showed you will make sure that you have this at 100% score. And once you do this, your videos are gonna rank if you have, retention rate, which is if people watch your video at least, a percentage amount of the video, let's say, 2 minutes of the video, 3 minutes. So for you to do that, you have to be doing a lot of videos and you have to be providing, massive value to people so they keep watching your video. But even if you don't have good retention rate and you have this optimized the way we did, you still will get traffic from Google search. I also want to mention that, look right here, if I show ranking right here, what this is doing is, because I have this, sales score so high, I'm ranking #1 for all of these keywords on YouTube. That's why I'm getting so much traffic, because I utilize the power of this. Now, keep in mind that you want to have to do this right here, right? You have to do this as well. Add these. So, a high resolution thumbnail, comment, pin post, you have to do that, a comment, and you have to pin just like this, right? You have to have right here, comment heart on the comments, info card, it's on, liked on Facebook, right? And then once you upload your video, what you want to do, and this is very important, within the 48-hour window, you want to be sending traffic to your video. By the way, I did a video literally showing you how to promote YouTube videos. I'm going to leave it right here. But in this video, I don't talk about a method that is really powerful for you to, get traffic right from start to your YouTube channel, which is utilizing TikTok to get traffic into your videos within the first 48 hours, which literally will tell YouTube that your video is people are interested in, so it will rank higher and faster to your YouTube video. So I have videos here on my YouTube channel. You can check on how to grow on TikTok. But literally on TikTok, you want to be doing a video. Hey, I just did a video doing this, and this. You want to go, if you want to check it out, go to my bio. I have the link there to my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Something along these lines. And then people will go from TikTok, which you can get lots of traffic for free and fast. And then they will go to your YouTube channel and watch the video. And therefore, it's going to help the algorithm of YouTube to grow your video and for the ranking to pick up. Basically, this is the formula, right? This is the formula. Now, if you do this and if you keep doing this and repeating the process over and over, man, you're gonna be in for a winning. Now, of course, when you're doing videos, you want to be asking people to subscribe, to hit that notification bell. You want to be asking them a call to action to go and watch other videos that you have on YouTube, so you can keep them on the platform on YouTube, and therefore YouTube is gonna help you grow even faster. And there we go. Also, remember, I will leave the link below for TubeBuddy, which this is the tool that you need, and you can get a discount if you go through my affiliate link. It's going to be cheaper for you, so that will be below. And then I'm going to leave also this way, if you want to build your dream business today, this new opportunity that I've jumped on. And don't get me wrong, the other ones that I promote are amazing, which is Builderall, legendary marketer. But I've jumped on one that is really exploding, really good. And if you are serious to making money within 48 hours, then this is it. It's gonna be your start your dream business, gonna be in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video the same as I enjoyed making it. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. Now, if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. Don't forget to smash the like button and say hi on the comment section below. I reply to every single comment and I will get back to you. Have a blessing day, and I will see you next time.